That's how you count down.
Our topic right now is about force and motion basics in plain English. A force is a push or a pull. An example of this is if you think of a box. You can either push a box or pull a box. One way to measure force is a spring scale. A spring scale measures force by telling you how many newtons it has. A newton is a type of measurement to measure force. Think of the mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp can apply 1,500 newtons on it just by punching, which can obviously tell you how much of a sissy punch Newton had. There are 4 different kinds of forces. There is contact, non-contact, balanced, and unbalanced. A contact force is a force applied by touching. Think of high-fiving your best friend. When you high-five your best friend, you apply force by smacking his back. Try this now if you feel that necessary. A non-contact force is a force applied without touch. Think of gravity. The Earth has a lot of gravity. It can pull you down whenever you jump without even touching you. A balanced force is a force that is equal and opposite. And an equal amount of Newton is applied but in opposite sides. Say you and your friend are equally pushing a table. If you equally push with 10 newtons, none of you will move the table. Another form of force is an unbalanced force. Unbalanced forces are forces that are unequal and opposite. Unequal in newtons and unequal in direction. An arm wrestle is an example. Say your friend and you are arm wrestling with 19 newtons over 3 newtons. They are unequal and opposite. Another type of force is a cooperating force. This means that they are opposite in newtons but equal in direction. Say that you are in fact walking your dog. When you are walking your dog, a gust of wind blows you forward. This means that the wind is helping you with the dog walking. That means that you are applying 17 newtons to the dog's run and 10 newtons while the dog is being pushed by the wind. There are 2 ways to find the total net force or the total force of a force. You can add them if they are in the same direction, or subtract them if they are in different directions. And that was our plain English version on force and motion basics.